What's going on, everybody? This is Louis of the Way It Kicks channel. I'm back again with an unboxing for you on a sneaker that I'm a little late in getting. Doesn't matter. Had to sell some shoes there on the GOAT app to be able to cop these. Unfortunately, yeah, I had to go the resale route, but it doesn't even matter. I needed to have this pair here in the collection, and I'm super excited to be able to present to you the sneakers that come in this box right here. Now, a bunch of you already know what this is, especially from the thumbnail, but yeah, these are the J Balvin Rios, and I really fell in love with this shoe. Now, granted, I took L after L after L after L after L on all the raffles, as most of you out there probably did as well. And some of you had to go the resale route, but some of you were fortunate enough to go ahead and hit these for retail, whether it be the sneakers app, one of those raffles, or even J Balvin's website there, which some of you had to spend that $100 to get. But you know what? You got exclusive access and you got sneakers to go along with the apparel. So kudos to everybody who was actually able to go ahead and get this pair. And for those of you out there who are searching for it, I mean, listen, do what I did. Sell some stuff that maybe you got some extras on, you know, some extra pairs or some shoes you know you're not really rocking with anymore, and build up your money and go ahead and cop the shoe. You know what I mean? I know some of you out there hate the resale route. I get it, but you know what? It is what it is. In any case, we do have that J Balvin smiley face here with the lightning bolt eyes, and that's supposed to act as the sun that's shining down here over top of the city of Medellin, Colombia. And this sleeve has some great detail to it. I love the way they did this. This is a really nice touch. But let me go ahead and remove the sleeve off of here, and we can take a look at the actual box lid. Now you can see that smiley face a little more clear, and more of these colors that come here over top of the box lid. Now we do have a phrase that's written in Spanish and English, and I'll read you the English version because I don't want to butcher the Spanish version here, but it says, "A sunset always reminds me a new day full of opportunity is coming." Now that's a quote directly from J Balvin himself there. It's on the box, and let me go ahead and remove the box lid for you guys. And once you do that, you are met here with tissue paper that not only matches the colors of the box lid, but it also has the same phrase in English and Spanish that I just read to you. And once you go ahead and open the tissue paper, you are met here with the shoes. Now, I will tell you this, for those of you who have not gotten this pair and you plan on getting it, there's way more tissue paper that comes with the shoe, but I wanted to spare you guys being able to see all of that. So here we go, J Balvin 3 Rios, and let me go ahead and pull the shoes out, and we can talk about the details that are involved in each one of these. And here we're gonna start off with the right sneaker, and here you go, guys. I mean, look at that. That looks absolutely beautiful in my opinion, and this black allows for these colors to pop way more in my opinion than that white pair. You know, that white pair has those sail leather uppers, and then it also has that clear outsole, but we'll get into the details here in comparison. But we do have all black leather uppers all the way around. Here at the top of the tongue, we do have a gold Jumpman there to go on top of that black tongue. We have black laces pre-laced in here, and then we also have attached a set of orange laces that you can lace swap into the sneaker themselves, but I'm gonna leave the black laces in there. Now on the back of the heel there, you do have J Balvin sign there, that smiley face with the lightning bolt eyes. And you're taking a look here at the midsole, you got that gradient fade of the colors there, the purple, the kind of bluish purple actually, the reddish kind of orange and yellow, and then the rest of the midsole there is black. Now, if you recall, some of the early pictures that we did see of these that J Balvin had on his feet, I believe was back last year, they showed that the elephant print was a lot more of a brighter gray. I'm very happy that they went with a more darker black gray to go along with the leather uppers. I think that makes the shoe look 10 times better. Taking a look here at the outsole, you do have that orange translucent outsole, which is a very nice touch. And like I was talking about with the white pair, that outsole is clear to go along with that sneaker. But let me go ahead and pull out the left shoe here. Now the left shoe comes with a hang tag there that's got J Balvin smiley face on it. And on the back of the heel, you do have that Nike Air there, and I think that looks oh so great on the back of this shoe, and they did their thing as far as this collab is concerned. I really think that these came out nice, and I wonder what is going to be the next J Balvin collaboration. I mean, these were obviously very successful, and the white pair was successful. The Jordan 1 J Balvin's, me personally, I didn't like them. You know, the teeth on there weren't really my thing. And then with the J Balvin 2s, you know, why can't we change the battery for the light up tongue? I mean, I don't know why they made it completely sealed and you can't change the battery in there, but it is what it is. For those of you out there who have either one of those silhouettes, let me know down in the comment section below how you would rank the J Balvin shoes themselves. And for those of you who don't have those other silhouettes, and maybe you were great enough to cop these, or you got the white pair or something like that, you know what I mean? Let me know down in the comment section below how you guys are thinking about the J Balvin Rios in comparison to the other three. And I want to know what your thoughts are on what the next J Balvin collaboration is going to be. Is it going to, you know, follow the sequence, and then we're going to get a 4 and then a 5? You know, are we going to go all the way up to maybe a 10 or 11 possibly? Yeah, they probably won't do an 11. That's wishful thinking. It probably won't go past, I would say, maybe an 8. We probably won't see anything past a J Balvin 8, or they could end up using a whole different silhouette like an Air Max or something like that. Who knows what they got up their sleeve, you know? We see what's already coming for 2025. And then you also got to remember, this is one of 3 black Jordan 3s that we're getting for this year, because we still have the Alma Maniere black 3s that are going to be dropping, and we are getting not reimagined but remastered black cement 3s that are going to be releasing there in November for holiday season. I mean, listen, it's crazy, and it'd be great to be able to have all 3 pairs and then kind of rank, you know, 1, 2, 3 what the best black Jordan 3 that dropped here in 2024 is. But let me know down in the comment section below how you guys, like I said, feel about the shoe itself. Please smash that like button for me, and if you are new to my channel, thank you for tapping in. Make sure you hit that subscriber button and click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop one of these videos. This is Lewis of the Wear Your Kicks channel, reminding you to be true, stay in the moment, and don't forget, every day is a great day to wear your kicks.